In the neurology world, the neuroplasticity is a big term. It's like an ocean and where multiple topics around, and every neurologist you talk to, they offer more advice and more things, emphasize on how we can learn and expand the brain and so on, right? And I'm going to quote from this book, the little book of big coaching model, and it is given the theory number 25 and page is 84. It has given about neuroplasticity, and Michael Merciness is the name. And neuroplasticity is described by Michael as a property that the brain possesses that allows to change its function and structure, both function and structure, through its perception of the world, life experiences and imagination. According to Mercedes, there are generally broadly classified into two types. One is called functional, one is called structural. Functional relate to the brain ability to transfer the function from damaged area to the damaged area of the brain to undamaged area. That is a functional one. Structural is what? Related to the brain ability to change its physical makeup as a result of learning. That's the reason when you just read books, learn a new skills, learn anything new, what will happen? Your brain expands in a way that it in a positive sense. It grows in a way that it brings a great learning and a great result of learning, right? So let's go about it further. There are underpin the categories it bring: age variability, process variety, reason, nature and nurture. Age variability, although plasticity is a lifetime occurrences, that's the reason learning does not stop only with the child or children when you reach to adulthood. To not like that. You can learn anytime, right? Another one is a process variety. For example, although plasticity is ongoing process, it involves brain cells and other neurons such as optical, vascular cells and so on. Reason, it can happen as a result of damage to the brain and learning memory formation, right? Nature and nurture, although the environment plays an important role in the process, genetic also can have an influence. That's what it says. And then it also talks about a case study of there is how to use it. In that there is a case study is being given there. Adam suffered with a type of autism. Autism is a disorder, and the brain growth is slow, or the learning process is slow, and so many other things, right? That's called autism. It was people of a special school where it talks about the social skill was very low, and he was a person, that kid was more of an introvert. And but when it comes to the computer learning, computer program, computer problem fixing, that kid was very shining. And then it also further says that in how that damaged area of the brain cover up and expand into a functional area. That's what this talks about it. And then there is also there is also great discussion been happening, and then the summary of that discussion is that always try to learn and always try to acquire the knowledge, read books, and more learning. When you get it, automatically your brain will have a fresh, and your brain will be equipped to understand and comprehend in every difficult situation. That's the essence I would like to share from this very book. Please do like, share, subscribe to the channel. You have wonderful day.